Hello everyone, my name is Astan and I'm creating a series of videos to document the build of my e-bike. My e-bike will run on 18650 cells, about 200 of them. That's a 20S 10P pack, 72 volts, approximately about 20 amp hours that I've calculated. These cells were recovered from dead laptop batteries and their capacities vary. Originally, these Samsung cells, they are the 28A, which are 2800 milliamps. There are a mixture of LG cells that are exactly the same milliamp hours. That's them in orange, about 2800 milliamps. And after testing resistance and doing a full charge and discharge, the capacity of these cells range from 2300 milliamps down to 1400 milliamps. With the number of cells that I've received and recovered from the laptop batteries, it's a little over 240 cells, and I have enough cells where I can use from the 2300 milliamp down to 800 milliamp. Here you see the numbers on the cells basically showing their capacities. I used the BT C3100 chargers. I have 4 of them to help me test the cells and discharge. I also purchased some Nitecore chargers just to help with the charging side of it to go a little bit faster. The Nitecore chargers don't have the ability to discharge batteries. I ended up purchasing these before I purchased the BT 3100s. I may end up selling these and getting additional 3100s if I continue to build packs myself. Here all the cells have been tested and I want to go through a deburring process. I connected my sander so that I can grind the tops and the bottoms flush. My plans are to weld the packs together to make them strong. Removing them from the laptop batteries leaves a little bit of these little nubs on the tops and bottoms, and I want to sand them flush. So I got out my grinder. This was my first attempt, and it actually worked pretty well. Those of you looking at this video may say I'm crazy. My wife thought I was crazy in doing this too, because obviously there's a risk of shorting the cells. But the process worked just fine for me. I didn't have any problems whatsoever. And again, all of the cells came out perfectly smooth, perfectly flush on the tops and the bottoms. And the process went pretty quickly. I think using a Dremel, I wouldn't have received as good of results. Now for the next 5 minutes or so in a time-lapse video, you'll see me sorting the cells. Basically, I will separate the cells out into like capacities within 1000 milliamp. So I'll have a 2300 milliamp group, 2200 milliamp group, 2100 milliamp group, 20 milliamp group, down on to my lowest cells. After I've grouped them and am able to count out a total of 200 cells, and then I'll align them from the largest capacity down to the lowest. Once I do that, you'll see me separating the cells out. I'll be pulling 5 from the top and 5 from the bottom. That will be my first 10P pack, and I'll continue that so on until I have 20 individual packs of 10 cells.